In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit VAT on Xero. Navigating tax submissions can often feel daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step with ease, ensuring you can handle your VAT obligations confidently and efficiently using Xero's user-friendly platform. First, let's get started by opening Xero and heading to the accounting section. This is where you'll find all the options you'll need to manage your business finances effectively. In this section, we're going to go deeper to manage our VAT settings specifically. Look for and click on Accounting Settings. This will open up a new set of options that are crucial for setting up your VAT submissions correctly. Once you're in the accounting settings, you need to search for Manual. Finding the manual settings is key, as it gives us the flexibility to input the specific tax rates applicable to our situation. This allows us to ensure everything is tailored precisely to our business needs. Remember, these settings are important as they help you align with tax regulations and maintain accurate financial records. Now, click on Manual Tax Rates. This step is essential because it's where we handle the customization of tax rates according to local legislation or specific agreements that might apply to your business. Adjusting and managing your manual tax rates can ensure you're not only compliant, but also optimizing your financial management process. Here, you can take control of how your taxes are reported, reflecting accurate data every time. Let's move ahead by creating a new tax rate. To do this, you'll simply click on New Tax Rate. This is your opportunity to name your tax rate, something that makes sense for you and your business. For the sake of illustration, I'll name it VAT. Naming your tax rate clearly can save you time and confusion later, especially when you're collaborating with your accountant or financial advisor. After naming your tax rate, the next important step is to add the percentage accordingly. Here, you'll want to input the exact tax percentage that applies to your specific VAT rate. Getting this percentage correct is crucial because it affects your overall financial reporting and compliance. Accuracy ensures that you're collecting and remitting the correct amount of tax, preventing potential issues with the tax authorities later on. And that's it. You've successfully set up a new VAT rate in Xero. This process not only helps you maintain compliance, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your financial records are precise and well organized. Following these steps carefully will set you up for accurate tax reporting and a streamlined financial operation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process of setting up VAT on Xero clear and simple for you. Don't forget to check our other videos for more tips on leveraging Xero for your business needs.